am Veda from 5C.
I am Samruth from 1E.
Today we will be showing you how to make pancakes. The ingredients are all-purpose flour, almond powder, sugar, salt, baking soda, oil and milk. First we have to take 1 tablespoon, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Next, we have to take 3 tablespoons of almond powder. This is also optional because almond powder gives protein, and if you want protein in your pancakes, you could add this.
This is good.
Now we have to take a 1/4 cup of sugar.
We should keep it here.
Now we have to take a pinch of salt.
Don't make too much.
And also a pinch of baking soda.
Yeah. Now give me this mixer.
Now mix this thoroughly. The ingredients. And these are all the dry ingredients, so you have to mix them first, then you have to add the wet ingredients.
This is very good mixing. Yeah, I know it. Give me one.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay, you know.
Now we have to add the wet ingredients. Now add 3 tablespoons of oil. 1,
2, and 3. That's enough.
now add 1/4 cup of milk.
Milk is very good to drink.
And now mix it.
Mixing. You have to mix the dough very neatly so you can make it.
Make sure to mix that there are no lumps in it. And if needed, add water to make it even more nice.
Yeah. Hey, give me.
Wait, Shami, give it to me.
Then enough. I know how to mix now. I know how to mix.
So, after you're done mixing the batter, rest it from 5 to 10 minutes. Now that your batter has set for 5 to 10 minutes, make sure that your pan is not low or hot, and make sure it's on the low flame. So then take 1 scoop of pancake batter and pour it on.
Wait. Kids should not touch this. And only parents.
Make sure you take parent supervision. Now, when you see the air bubbles rising, flip it.
Maple syrup.
Now, since some air bubbles are rising, it's time to flip it.
Carefully. Now that's much better. The next side will be guys, next side if it's burned soft, then only we can eat it.
We'll be waiting for 1 minute until it's done cooking. Okay, now it's time to flip. I will put it on the plate. Now the delicious pancake is ready. And also kids, remember to off the stove before eating. Now that both sides are ready, we can eat our delicious pancake. To top it off, we can add chocolate syrup, fresh fruits, maple syrup or honey, etc. We will be adding chocolate syrup.
I'll do.
Now taste.
Now it's time to eat the delicious pancake.
Oh no, it's
But
hot.
make sure that it cools down before you eat.
Yeah.
Now we'll try some.
Good.
Good guys. It's very delicious.
Yeah, I want to take more.
So guys, this is it for today's video. Bye.
Bye guys.